There are two ways to access 3D models in ProjectSight. You can access them directly from the ProjectSight file library as shown in a previous video, or you can access 3D models from within Trimble Connect. 3D models can be annotated and linked to almost any ProjectSight item or document. In this segment, you will open a 3D model and create a to-do linked to the model, then also link a ProjectSight RFI. To access 3D models from your project dashboard, click on the expansion menu icon in the upper right and select Connect to open Trimble Connect. Then in the left panel, click on the drop-down icon in the data banner and select Explorer. Then click on the 3D Models line in the Register. The 3D Models folder will open, showing the available models and their supporting documents. Select the tick box of a model, and its information will open in the right panel. You can edit the information and see the history of the model from the Information panel. Click on the title line or the View button to open the model. The model will open in the 3D Model Viewer with an interactive image in the main panel. You can use your mouse and mouse wheel to zoom, pan, and rotate the model, with a corresponding orientation key in the lower right in case you get disoriented. Use the Reset Model button to return to the original view and orientation. The model panel on the left shows the model file being displayed, and you can expand the levels beneath the file name to uncover additional components. Click on a component, and that component will be highlighted on the model, as well as open a new toolbar to manage the selected component. Hover your cursor over the various items and see what they do. The upper toolbar contains multiple manipulation and annotation tools, and you can hover over each one to see what it does. The side toolbar also contains additional tools to annotate, organize, and link items to the model. Hover your cursor over any icon to see what it does. To-dos are a quite helpful feature in Trimble Connect models. They can direct project users to the exact spot in the project where an issue, question, or task exists, and the to-do can also be linked to almost any other ProjectSight item, such as a spec section or punch item. In this example, you will create a to-do and link it to an RFI. With the item selected in the left panel, first click on the Zoom to Selection button to bring the component into frame. Next, click on the Add Attachment icon in the toolbar and select Add To-Do. This will open the New To-Do form in the right panel with multiple fields to add information. Enter a title and add a description to further explain the to-do. Select a due date and level of importance. Then assign the to-do by typing all or part of a project user's name and selecting from the search result. Select a type from the drop-down menu. When you have reviewed your entries and selections, click Save to create the to-do. After saving the to-do, a check mark will now appear on the selected model component, indicating the presence of a to-do associated with it. Clicking on the check mark will open the to-do. Note that when you create a to-do, Trimble Connect automatically creates a unique view of the model and to-do, and a thumbnail of the view will appear in the to-do details panel, where you can click on it to open the model view. The view will also appear in the Views utility, which you will learn about in an upcoming section. Returning to the ProjectSight dashboard, click on the Document Control expansion arrow in the left panel. Then select RFIs from the expansion menu. This will open up the RFI main page where you can click on the plus button to begin creating a new RFI. The Add RFI panel will open on the right, where you can enter essential information, especially the RFI question. Then click the link icon in the question field, which will open the Add Link window for you to select Connect to Do. This will open the Link Connect to Do window, where you can search for and/or select the to-do that you just created. After reviewing your entries and selections, click Save to create the RFI linked with the to-do. The linked RFI is now in the RFI register, and when you select the RFI, its details will appear in the right panel. Here you can see that the RFI has been answered with a linked submittal, which you can open and view, and therefore the RFI has been closed. Seeing this, you can click on the linked to-do and open it within Trimble Connect. There you can add a comment if you wish, then mark the to-do as closed.